Comrade, when we started the mission and you look at the map of Jamaica, it was predominantly green. And I can report today, comrade, that because of the work of those councillors and councillor candidates, under the stewardship of the regional chair, we have a dominant map showing orange. That result, comrade, was hard work, dedication, in the streets, night and day. And I really want to thank them for the body of work and ask them to continue. But comrade, it brings me pleasure to say to my Region 1 comrades, under the leadership of Comrade Foster Hallin, that you have done well. And without a member of parliament, you have to return Trelawney to orange, orange, orange. To my colleague in Region 2, there's a lot of work to be done, but you have returned Portland to the People's National Party. Region 4, under the astute leadership of Comrade Denise Daly, has taken back Clarendon and turned it orange.
Jamaican people want better.
Comrades of Region 5, you have much to be thankful for. And I want to commend Comrade Kern Spencer, the regional chair, for transforming St. Elizabeth into orange.
Jamaican people want better. Economy coming like stormy weather.
Region 6 comrades. Let me first admit that there's work to be done. But I want to congratulate Regional Chair Ichman for holding fast in Hanover while we work to bring back St. James and Westmoreland. Well done, Region 6.
Turn up the thing. Turn up the thing.
My comrades of the mighty, mighty Region 3. Comrades, I want to say thank you for the work you have done. Because if an election is called now, Comrade Andrew Swaby would be the mayor of Kingston and St. Andrew.
Turn up the thing. Turn up the thing. Turn up the thing.
So, comrade, a lot has been accomplished. But the mission and the work continues. And I will see you all in the vineyard as we work to give Mark Golden the opportunity to be Prime Minister of this country. One love, comrade. Time comes.